Luma AI is not just another AI video tool. It's the closest thing we have right now to Pixar in your pocket. With just a few words, you can create cinematic 3D scene, realistic motion, and product renders that used to take hours, all in minutes. But most people will still use it wrong. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Luma AI, the IQ from 3D content to realistic video generation, and 5 secret prompts that will instantly level up your results. And hey, today we're going beyond the basics of Luma AI. I have spent the last few weeks testing this tool for 3D scenes, camera motion, and cinematic storytelling. And what I have learned completely changed how I use AI in my creative workflow. So let's dive in together. Luma AI started as a 3D scanning tool, but it's evolved into full AI content creation platform. Now it can generate 3D environments, create video scenes with realistic camera motion, render products or characters in cinematic lighting, and even animate static images with movement that looks real. So let's dive into it. This is the first prompt. Let's see what we can make. Okay. So this is the video. Let's see. Okay, it's not bad. Either a zombie or let's not just judge it based on the first prompt. Let's see what it does on the second prompt. Although it's not bad, I can't say it's a bad video, but yeah, if you have saw my previous video on Luma, you can see that those videos were very, high quality. So this is the video generated. It good. Let's try with third prompt. So this is the video. Whoa, what it has meant. You can see the detail and the storytelling and the lighting of the environment. Full environment is well lighted. The reflections are also. This is what I call a 3D generation. Okay, I liked it. Whoa. It was great. I really liked it. The 3D, you can tell the 3D animation in this, you know. Okay. So another prompt. Nice. The transition is good, to be honest. And that's how you go from basic to cinematic with Luma AI. If this helped you, drop a like, and I'll release an advanced video next showing you how to combine Luma AI shots with After Effects for professional edits. And I'll see you in the next one.